Good morning, teacher. I am Freddy Alejandro Diaz Diaz. I am a systems engineering student. I am 28 years old. I'm from Une, Cundinamarca. In my free time, I like to ride a motorcycle and horseback riding. On vacation, traveled to Melgar, Tolima, and practice swimming. I live with my wife and my dog. On my next vacation, I plan going to traveling to Manizales because it's Pacific. My hobby is riding a bike. Description: the chicken rice. First, place a pot with onion and salt to taste. Next, add water to the pot and wait until boiling. After, add half a pound rice. Then, in another container, cook the chicken breast. After, when the rice is cooking, the breast is shredded. Add minced sausage. Finally plate. Thank you. Goodbye.